Enti bro regional bibi chairman Kwame Bafa Abronye abe clash with John Mahama NDC for no. Efa corruption scandal bia ekoso e NDC amamum is omo de Ghana sika go be damase. What I say? Omo de Ghana sika bo ampi. Ye oman sika no ene omo de chire oman NDC party no. Eno na Kwame Bafa Abronye abe clash with Mahama. Me man chire mu no akire wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Mesro say need him. Obe like video no other about subscribe button. So na be click the notification icon for latest updates. Na be chede wa adwen da mame. Ewo comment section. Mesro so ba so no wa shire so anya bi ahwe. Ye wo yanka bi shame out of nowhere. Anya hunu say video bi go viral as a video na Mustapha Gbande, Deputy General Secretary for NDC. Mustapha Gbande, I say all can same be na you know conference via NDC here a hostie secret meeting as the omoye na hon all problem so sika NDC party no spend is a free taxpayers money omo eka omo bo party no ho every month sika omo twa eko constituency bia every month just enye sika kuma.
If your wife was not appointed, you yourself was appointed. He did so. For the first time, regional secretaries and few chairmen assumed the responsibility of regional ministers. For the first time in the history of our country, if you go to the regions, about 8 to 9 executives of every region have been appointed into government. And if you go to the constituencies, about 8 or 10 executives of every single constituency have been appointed into some office of government at some level. Today, as we speak, 20,000 cities go to the constituency every month to service the party. And it comes straight from the president. As we speak, if you look at form and shape of governance and governments that get formed, Ghana have never had the kind of government we have today. The support we got were so diverse that it didn't just come from NDC people. So you realize that at one time he would appoint some stranger into our midst. At one
says the car we no every taxpayers fund mu na eba. As every month, almost spending over 500 billion near Chile on their party every month. Hey, Ghana pa dear. Just all you can bomwa. Sika every month be NDC spending on party no one. 500 billion every month. Every month. Ama same way abe the media no so na eno na Kwame Bafa Abronye bono we jam be chairman ono so abe kire na adwe e in fact wa blasting Mahama NDC for the pay.
Deputy General Secretary of the NDC akasa ebra na osia NDC for na o kire sika abosumi bia the National Democratic Congress constituency bia ye were 276 constituencies. 276 constituencies. Na munyina munim se 2024 campaign no President Mahama ka se ahonchira wa Ghana pa no ankasa kura campaign na oye no ne yire na ehwe no o kama obi atibi ne yire na topa troma no na ne gracia kura no na nado danko akofo ado antuada ama ye the documents ebaba expose no enei kwasi amene wo ebe bisa ne se obi a enora ya oye campaign na osi onni bi na ne yire ne bona kohoma obi a enora ya oye campaign na osi Ghana mabunu ho kire wo mo enora ya obi ye campaign na oka corruption ho asem no abosumi dunie nie onni sika na o se ahokyere aba Ghana no ye to abama no ma ne be ye president no ni deputy general secretary osan ye presidential staffer wokwa Jubilee House ha ana presidency ha Mustapha Gbande and I the deputy director of operations. Not just say onimnia or can deputy director of operations presidency Mustapha Gbande or double as a general secretary of the NDC. And a diakotu just say President Mahama Fro akonya kesiye bosumi biyano or my constituency be 20,000 Ghana cedis. Ni epe bidia to koko onfanto. Ni ebeto moria kambanku onto. Ni ebeto ankesam dia yemu no wato. Ni ehia no wato. Every month biya. Ye bisa se eye corruption na enye corruption. Mo massing ya mo comment session wono for 20,000 times 276 constituencies ni sika bosumi biano President Mahama we osi sika no a bad direct from the president 20,000 Ghana cedis into 276 Ebemaye 5.5 billion. Titisikano 550 billion. And Nesikai 5.5 million Ghana cedis. What the quantity scanmua? A 550 billion. Bosumi biya. Ya the Kokoma NDC party. Constituency biya. Constituency executives. Samunye na mumfa nidi. Nidi kan. And now you may know Baba Yajuma. President John Mahama Nakatuya as a president. I have 55,000 a month. 55,000 a month. It is offer 55,000 no times 10. I have 550,000. Busumi edu our office no. Nakatuya I have 550,000. And tia bami saying and no be a busumi edu nie no. Nakatuya I have 550,000. And no 600,000. Nasa nipano bosumi biano otiminya 550 billion. At the core constituency bia to support. Do the assessment. Let's be honest. Niyanka no krema o mine. Obia nakatuya aye abosumi dunie no. Say 55,000 a month ya. Bosumi biya so gi 55,000. 10 months in you know, 550,000. And the President Mahama ye den nya 5.5 million. 550 million billion all series bosumi biya no at the common constituency. 276 control the common. And so Obi say a zero corruption under na administration. Say ye mona baso. And nay, sans and training no, sans we buy no, on find your topic. And send training now or say President Mahama or no na record zero corruption scandal no, and let you one find your topic. And Rakwasiye, fellas for Sukwachi, every some media has to say. Mustapha Gbande asem na abano osro mo a e mo nka ho asem nyesa ebegu abana nimase enra ye nim ayi momo a e course enra kwasi momo amanfo receive sika momo akese sebeya womon kan Mustapha Gbande asem no because ebe ha omo pa. But a deputy director of operations, office of the president say Bosumi Biano, President Mahama enya 5.5 million Ghana cedis HMA 276 constituencies say NDC for no nyina omumfa nidi because omunkwa ne to aba every month yo. Oh, I mean, no, me Penyah Mahama say no Bosumi Biano 1 mama 1 million Ghana cedis enye papa because ya hu se sika o me Bosumi Biano maji 1 million firi no ya baji 1 million because a deputy director of operations I was a deputy general secretary or no. And a Mustapha Gbande so no. Ono na the first deputy general secretary. Or in charge of operations. And tisikana ye de ba Jubilee House no. A president de man no. Ono na de ko constituency be 20,000. Munyi wa benum kokwa no pa no wanom. Wa obeto mode aka banku no wato. Wa obeto ankesam no wato. Wa obeto tujimi no wato. Wa ope fufuo to bantina to adwene ewo fufuo Ghana for sika because Ghana for sika because deputy general secretary Kasano or say sika a free presidency straight ever ye nyina nim say presidency budget this year 2025 budget o mo ye no. A different 1992 yenya the 4th republic when presidency wanya budget ye kwasoro pa nti Ghana for sika na Mustapha Gbande dia betu dwa say e sika a free presidency na ko direct because enye President Mahama ne hard earned money namom sika ya budget a ye pe biatua nurse fo ka ye sika ni ho sika ya budgeti na ye pebi ade atua teacher fo ka yesi ebini ho enai o maka kire ye say ye ntua sports levy enai o maka kire say sika ni o ye ntua dum so levy enai o ba ye VAT ya increase VAT mu enai wo ba ye electricity wo matum close to 45%. Water bill kwasoro me no ka say next month electricity this month ya wo ba be nanso another electricity increment ama ya tua na ye tua no na Bosumi bia no mo package 20,000 a Mustapha Gbande na abeka o na nra Ferisofosi kwachi na machire etuetua sika ma some media house say enaduo yi e ma omo nka ho asem ampa so enei some media houses e make sure e wa Accra bontin so say won be ma asem no akọ mortuary because enra kwasie Felix eye ho aduma e make sure say ye be ka ye de prester e be carrying central fuo binuma no Sabeya Mustapha Gbande asem na okan ye no wo mommoso enti nura kwasie Ferisofosi kwache fa o nyina so ekopa bibi ma o e de pressure tara o ma no enti nedadua se mo monitor ya some media houses our the national capital sasem no o ma ye sei because nura kwasie ye didi peche ye do mo kwatena Lancaster emo mu didi peche yedi some ayi your friend saying printing ayi bi papers bi editors no ye no amokoye meeting see asremo a mo de saniama we dia beto ayi front page ya abana nimbe guase wo international community enti nemo hwe ya some print media houses no binum o mo pipese no asem na ma meto front page kura ama meto front page ne ya boso because nra no ya forso awakia enti san central ni na ɔte kurom a wɔse ɔno na ebedi Kwame Nkrumah de no ye kronkron ene mote se ɔka ho asɛm mote se wabɔwa because ye didi apɛkyɛ nti apart from the publisher a obegyagu mu monhwɛ pepesi akɛse MPP wa by mu okujato kasa na daily graphic the above front page okujato edia tro egu president Akufo-Addo so na daily graphic the above front page MPP wa by mu okujato abrako di tro gu na nado danko Akufo-Addo so na Ghanaian Times the above front page. Yes, Aban papers. And now, who say Ghanaian Times, I hear publication about this issue. And now, who say Daily Graphic, I hear publication about this issue. As when you know, you want to be by propaganda say, Nanado pencil, na ye ma in Central for Enkasa. And now, somewhere by the presser at Tarmano, your mom will be a dear baby amomodi, apart from the publisher. Yahumu, but ye question is say, or my amosi yentia doom so levy. A Ghana ni bia or top petrobiano, etia 1 Ghana series. Ghana ni bia or top petrobia tia 1 Ghana series. Depending on the number of gallons on our latest Alberto. Due to 300 Ghana series here. So now why your 30 series ready? Oh, to say Sandera. No, why your sister Ghana ready? Or mine no. Or mine taxes ya many yeno. So the ruling party no the taxes ya many yeno. But so me 20,000 echo. Where ni Afrina no about. But undercover expenses there. Me no me no besine yenim undercover. Me no me no besine yenim. Enti o ye nurse ni yentua oka. Afa de wa won entia wakatua maaye. Sika no bosumi bia no ekọ NDC party office. Wo ye teacher ni yentua oka. Won ba bia sika no kọ bosumi bia no ekọ NDC party office. So yeah, why ye ni youth employment agency staff ni se yentua oka. Afa de wa hu ba bia sika no kọ bosumi bia no yes sam no reset no ekọ NDC office. So yeah, supplier what supply goods and services I'm a government of Ghana ni se yentua oka. Afa de wa hu ba bia sika no kọ ekọ NDC party office. World contractors yentua moka. Ne banks tom wa japade afere mahu babia sika na eko Ghana dwadifo a mo se yentade enti amanfo madwamu metade mahu babia sika no enama efa we ye from Mustapha Gbande no wieye no wasande atoa so say NDC baaye no wama hedaji MPP fo no nyina adi ena omudi NDC fo akwa hye ho okantoa so yes o say aban we aye ade paase obaaye no MPP fo no nyina na omwo government sectors no nyina no ya pam omo ade NDC fo abehye ho enti aban no nye de biem enti party fo no nya kasa na president Mahama ya ade bosumi bia 20,000 owieye wapam MPP fo nyina ampa menim kra directors o ma serve 25 years president Mahama bae no wayi o ma di so no o ntimi nya adwuma enti mu a aban papa ba yes some reset no mu a mu go fia mo twense mo se mo akwakoto aba 2024 na ban ne ba be form adwuma no sika na duru party or NDC party office enti woto aba 2024 a Emma NDC amesraw bosome ba beso a bomodena akọ NDC party office wo kodi ukoko sika obi a oto abama NDC bia mesraw se bosome ba beso a bomodena nakọ NDC party office ka bia ba ho a bosome bia ye cheche monkoji bi mfanto koko wa batomo no watode obenya bi etim tomo wo mo katwe we the deputy general secretary ana di asem na ba betudwa bosomi bia 20,000 call enti mabu na mote social media mo say ekom de mo mu nya ho hwe no abampapa ba say deputy general secretary amayate ase say every month bia president mama constituency bia 20,000 and every constituency be NDC winning, you know, and how 29th, 28th, 29th, 30th, Nasikana Bene, and so called Jina party officer, now Jodie, and no Pabia Bosumi Bia Babe Kona Ria Ya, Monko Salai or NDC party office. One yes can be an constituency executive, you know, any branch executive, so Mona Chase Kennedy. Mono monko kansa asem no meme tua me tax near the ya enhame because I kwasan lie wo ho a ubenya biadi nti enhame nti monko ho se metua tax near the 20,000 beko NDC party office na san ayibo so me bia obi abesan lie akwa konya bia me enhame na enhame so da because ne yese say ye bebo dawuro ama obi a oto aba bia te say every month bia no President Mahama NDC kaba na sika na nya NDC fo nko adea eye constituency mu no nyina anti mu nyina mo nkwasa line na mu nyi bi ni butumi bia sika ne ba eye sika ye de ye operate producer bo voice no ma yetie.
If your wife was not appointed, you yourself was appointed. He did so. For the first time, regional secretaries and field chairmen assumed the responsibility of regional ministers. For the first time in the history of our country, if you go to the regions, about 88 to 99 executives of every region have been appointed into government. And if you go to the constituencies, about 8 or 10 executives of every single constituency have been appointed into some office of government at some level. Today, as we speak, 20,000 cities go to the constituency every month to service the party. And it comes straight from the president. As we speak, if you look at form and shapes of governance and governments that get formed, Ghana have never had the kind of government we have today. The support we got were so diverse that it didn't just come from NDC people. So you realize that at one time you would appoint some stranger into our midst. If your wife was not appointed, you yourself was appointed. He did so. For the first time, regional secretaries and field chairmen assumed the responsibility of regional ministers. For the first time in the history of
TV, scan code direct, but Bia Yehu. Now, this is not the first time in 2025. This is not the first time. And she said, "Training bit in the baby, not so catch them say. I will record 0 corruption scandal. I am the Yafun or service. The woman in service in the Yafun and I am the Yamfa evidence in a member to grab.
Ubet match the wagin, amame. Comment section. I Penyah Media.